Social distancing 101. Not just kidding. I'm over it. I'm so over it. It's time to go back to normal. What do you think, Matt? Ready to go back to normal?
Yeah. Yep, feeling at home already.
That's what's up. I think we're just gonna do like maybe a short 3-mile hike to our campsite. We got rain coming in later, so the main goal is just to get set up before it rains. That way we can efficiently stay dry, I guess, if you want to call it that. So we're gonna enjoy the weather for now and then bring it back when we get situated here.
Got it.
Glad it didn't break underneath me.
Nice.
Nah, I think he carries like 6 cameras with him and he comes back to get them.
Yeah, just leaves them.
Leaves them along the trail.
They automatically download to his phone.
Heck yes. From this point moving forward, it was a race against the weather. We knew rain was coming and we had to get our stuff set up quick. Unfortunately, the rains did arrive. Or is it fortunate? I don't know. I'll let you be the judge of that. Personally, I love going camping in the rain, especially when you're ready for it. The sound of the rain hit your tent and the tarp. I don't know, just something about it that can put you to sleep and just calm your mind. I don't have to wait for it to cool because I can't drink hot coffee. I can't stand it. It probably rained for a good 1.5 to 2 hours. So we stayed inside the little lean-to that Clay had made, and we just chilled out. And Matt and Clay did a really good job on keeping the fire fueled, and it never went out the whole time.
I can just come in and take care of that.
Yeah.
Get it sanitized and
Yeah,
because I don't
dry
want
it out.
you know.
Well, it's dangerous.
That stuff. Yeah.
Well, here's the thing. You know, a lot of people don't realize that even silica.
Yeah, exactly. Yep,
That
just
causes
not
What you cooking, Matt?
some tuna steaks. Got a little special seasoning on there. And then got some bacon. I'm going to try wrapping it around there and do some tuna bacon wrap delight. The stuff's good. Man. Shouldn't take too long once we get it going too. Just don't know how much oil to put in there, but I know we might want to put it in. Now, you know what? I think even should double that. Should have doubled that underneath. Then we just get it on that rock, or on a rock would be kind of cool actually. I'll set it like that. That way we can turn it.
What if we made like a grill out of these logs?
Yeah. There's something,
Like a platform to hold it?
where that thing could like set almost like that. Like make a little tray out of it.
Over the coals?
Yeah, we could just set it right on coals too.
Well done. Thank you very much.
Oh yeah, man.
You know what? I'm not even going to use it for it. I'm going to use it.
Back to your snow.
Oh man, that was good.
Definitely shouldn't have got 2 packs of that stuff. It goes down so easy, you know.
Yeah, it
too.
does.
It's like slides right down. You're like, damn.
It's like,
Eat it all?
I'm actually hungrier now after eating it. I've been eating all day. Yeah, I've been eating all day. Not many people gain weight when they go camping. I do.
this was awesome, guys. The hike was freaking perfect. We had really nice weather on the hike on the way here. Every now and then we get a little stiff breeze. Didn't really have any indication that weather was going to blow in. It was so nice. It went from sunny to cloudy and straight into rain for 2 hours, and we made the most of it. And I would recommend camping in the rain any day of the week, especially if you're prepared to do it.
Yeah.
It's very soothing.
Yeah, we gathered up some firewood and got it underneath the tarp over here, kind of start drying it out. Got a fire going before it started raining, luckily, and then we just, able to maintain it all right. And yeah, got a good setup here. Definitely.
Worked out well. Very comfortable. A lot of fun.
Yeah, it's nice to be able to have a fire that would self-sustain in the heavy rain that we had. There was a couple of times where we had to hurry up and poke around the fire a little bit and add some more fuel to it, but we had a lot of dead pine branches or down pine branches that were still full of sap and they were green, but those things were just like adding kerosene to a flame. They took right off every time we put one on, and that kind of saved us a little bit there, I think.
That was good, yeah.
For sure.
Pretty much it's all pine here, and yeah, that stuff would burn hot and get it going again.
And it would dry out the wet wood, and then it would be able to burn. Turned out really nice.
It was awesome, people. And I want to thank Clay for coming with me. And me and Clay go back a long way.
Appreciate it. It's been awesome.
Glad he reached out to me on Facebook and added me as a friend. And come to find out that he likes to take videos of being outside, and he brought several GoPros with him. And I can't wait to use some of his footage in this video. It's going to be awesome.
Yeah, you got some good stuff, Clay.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Yeah, we'll see.
And this is our salute to being outdoors, people. Just embrace it, because you only live once.
Amen.
Yep.
Cool, guys. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Cool, guys.
See you guys later.
As nightfall fell, everyone became really tired, and we finally made our way to our respected bed place. The next morning was super wet and rainy, and we just decided to pack everything and hike out. Whoa.
I lost her.
A little rain never hurt anybody.